Hey guys, what's going down? It's about 8 o'clock at night. It's snowing. It's about 19 degrees out. I don't know, maybe 20. But we're gonna do muzzle flash at night. So I'm gonna drive down there a little ways and we're gonna see what muzzle flash looks like at night. So I'm gonna be shooting up towards you guys on my phone, and we'll go from there. So I got ear protection, I got eye protection, I got gloves. Yeah, hammer down. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks UFO Hunter UK, Charlton, you guys are all awesome. I appreciate all my subs. I'm trying to get more to get the word out. Hammer down, guys. I'm gonna drive down there and we're gonna shoot 5.56 Federal full metal jacket, 55 grain. That's awesome, huh, guys? Hammer down. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. Maybe that'll shed some light on the subject. If you guys could help out with what I'm doing, paypal.me/Alan Duckworth. Hammer down. Farmers for Truth. Thanks to all my new subs and old subs. I got some good stuff coming, and some honey and some other giveaways. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Hammer down.